Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Here we do makeup, we do hair videos, we'll be doing hauls, challenges, and cook videos for now, and so much more in the future. So for today's video, I'm just going to be doing a quick red eyeliner makeup, as you can see in the thumbnail. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's get started into this video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. And then now that we're complete, this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. If you like this video or enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment sections below, or just by liking and subscribing to my channel. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.